Hi everyone, my name is Anushka. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely great and are staying safe at home, keeping good care of yourselves. So as you have read by the title already, I am gonna be crocheting a top for me, myself and I. I have not done this before. This is my first rodeo. I started crocheting, I would say, few weeks back, and I have crocheted small things like a scrunchie or like a small pouch, but I've never committed to making a full size top. So I'm really excited about it. I have ordered this yarn from Amazon. Now I'm not a professional whatsoever, so everything that I'm going to share in this video, please take it with a grain of salt. You and I are going to figure out together how to crochet a top. So if that is something that interests you, then keep on watching. Okay, so step 1 to crocheting the top is figuring out what crochet pattern you want in your top. Now there are n numbers of crochet patterns, but I decided on crocheting a granny square top. If you don't know what granny square top is, I won't blame you, don't beat yourself out. I have also figured it out few weeks back. Granny square is basically you crochet these individual squares and then you stitch all these squares together to make yourself a garment. Now yesterday I was on Pinterest and searching for what kind of granny square top I want, and I came up with this one. I think it is called Willow Granny Square, I'm not quite sure, but this is what I'm gonna be making. I have also made a rough kind of sketch of how I want my top to be, how many squares I want. And now next step is obviously gonna be crocheting, and I'm gonna be referring to a YouTube video because ain't no way I can do it on my own. Show you how to crochet the beautiful Willow Granny Square. Okay, so I've just started, and it's not like I'm very new to this. I know these stitches, right? Like abhi video mein she said like make 15 double crochets, so I know what a double crochet is. It's just that pattern बहुत नया है मेरे लिए, so I'm not sure if I will be able to pull it off. Okay, so 1.5 hours later, first square is here. I really like how it looks like. Only task is that I have to make around 20-30 of these, and since मुझे उतना प्रैक्टिस नहीं है क्रोशे पे, तो मुझे इसको बनाने में बहुत टाइम लगा है. अब मुझे नहीं पता कि मुझे बाकी स्क्वायर्स बनाने में कितना टाइम लगेगा एंड कब मेरा टॉप जाके रेडी होगा. But one thing I can say for sure is that I love the process of crocheting. So all that is left is crocheting over and over and over again. So let's get going. It is day 2, and yesterday I crocheted around 6 of the squares, and today I'm hoping that I will be able to crochet around 6 or more than that. So let's get going. Just laid it out. So first front part of my top is done. Here as you can see I've made half squares and rest all are full squares. So end of day 2 we are going strong. So it is few days later and अभी मैंने इतना मेरा top बना लिया है. I've only attached it with safety pins right now, but this is how the top looks like. मैंने इसका जो ये sleeve है ये काफ़ी मोटा दिया है, so I'm contemplating if I should add sleeves here or not. I literally have only this much yarn left. So अब 2 sleeves add करने के लिए मैं अलग से yarn खरीदूँ या मैं बनाऊँ ही ना sleeves, I'm not able to understand. This is how far we've gotten. अभी obviously इसको stitch करना है, अभी बहुत इसमें धागे भी लटक रहे हैं, वो सब ठीक करना है, but overall structure of the top आ चुका है and I am liking it. I cannot for the love of God believe that I could make something like this which I can wear out of just a hobby. Crocheting was just a hobby for me and it can turn like this, so I am just over the moon right now. But yeah, this is where we have got. Don't mind that, that is my laundry bag and that has my straightener in it, but this is where we are at. Hi everyone, so I feel that today I'm gonna finish my top, but I've reached a problem area which I would like to share with you guys. Okay, so my top is almost ready, but as you all know that I was intending for a V neck, but then I couldn't crochet the V more straight, so I added this border to it so that it looks a little curved. and it will camouflage the mistake that I made of not crocheting a straight line. Oh, and you can see that this curved border, it's called shell border apparently, I have given here also at the bottom of the top. However, I reached till here and only this much is left for me to give border, and I ran out of my yarn, so I do not have any more yarn left, and buying yarn only for this part makes no sense. Now I have an option where I can unravel the whole border and keep it like that, but then I really like how this thing looks. So what I'm gonna do is, very early on when I was learning how to crochet, I made this scrunchie. It has like pink and red, and it has only this much red yarn, so I'm hoping if I can take yarn from this scrunchie and add it over there to create a border. I don't know if that'll be enough or not, but we're gonna give this a try because I really want to add a border. So let's just see what we can do. And with that, my top is ready. And that's it for this video, you all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This top taught me a lot of patience. मैंने चालू तो बड़े जोश में कर लिया था, but ख़त्म करते टाइम तक मुझे समझ में आया that it takes a lot of patience and a lot of hard work. And I've already started making my another top, जिसको मैं ऐसे document नहीं करूँगी in a full format. मैं उसका shorts डालने वाली हूँ, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel below if you guys haven't already. And I'm gonna see you guys super soon. Bye.